In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we develop our sales comp plans for our sales team. Now, I'm the VP of sales at a venture-backed B2B SaaS company, and I've been running sales for the last 5 years for us. And when I first took over, I discovered that finance was primarily responsible for building out comp plans. And lo and behold, the comp plans were totally unattainable. They were demotivating, and only about 10% of the sales team was hitting the plan. And so what happened? The top reps quit to go to different jobs because they weren't making any money. And the worst performing reps stuck around, and they collected their base salary month after month without delivering any meaningful results in new MRR. And so we had to fix that. And so this is how we did it. I developed this sales comp plan template so that we could consistently design comp plans as the business changed, as we introduced new products, and we design metrics for the team to focus on. And so you can actually download it now as well and personalize it for your own particular use case. So here it is. This is the page that if you're on the page, you can just click add to cart. And when you check out, you'll be able to access the file. And when you get inside the file, you will see that there are multiple tabs within this Google Sheet. First tab is the instructions. This will walk you through exactly how to use this most effectively. The second tab is the actual comp plan template exercise that provides a list of questions for you to answer. And these questions sort of guide you in the direction of all the different scenarios and permutations that you want to consider when building this out to make sure that you're incentivizing the right behavior and structuring it in a way that is motivating for the sales team. And then I provide you sample answers based on our experience and what's worked for us. So you can reference those here on the right-hand side. And then the third tab is where you aggregate all the comp plans for your team with their monthly quotas and their incentives. And so this is just a simple view to see where everyone is, particularly if you're hiring and you're ramping new reps. You can see what their ramp quota is versus their fully loaded quota, what their base salary is versus their variable, and their total on-target earnings. And then if you have any accelerators, you can include those on the right-hand side here, and then any individual spiffs as well. Now, the fourth tab is a bonus go-to-market checklist, where we use this checklist to do all the right things in the right order when bringing products to market. So if you click into this, you will see that you can make a copy of this checklist for yourself. And so I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to make any comments in the section below. And if you want to access either this particular template or any of the other operating templates or playbooks, just go to growthbusinesstemplates.com. I appreciate you making it this far and listening. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.